No, I'm just, that's the joke. I want you to crash because it'd be funny.
Don't do it.
We are in
Do
your
it.
hands, Mr. Pilot. I believe in you.
Yes, listen to the Latvian guy wearing your pants.
Don't listen to the Canadian guy. He confused me for Lithuanian.
Same thing.
I know.
Ask him if
God.
he's Russian.
I think I did. No, I asked him if he was Ukrainian the first time.
He loves that.
Fish.
Bro, if you
Fish
want
is
me
the-
to curse you in a language that you don't understand, okay, fine, call me a Russian, I don't care. I'm gonna curse you in a language that you don't understand, and if you're a superstitious person, then you should be worried.
How do you
He's gonna
understand-
curse your
how do you know
entire
if I don't
bloodline.
understand? He's gonna curse you in Klingon.
No, he's gonna send the Moose Man on you.
I kind
He's
of
gonna
want to hear it
send the
now.
Moose Man's crazy Eastern European cousin on you.
Здесь все фамилии убивайте, все будут нахуй.
I told you it's Klingon.
Sounds like he has
Klingon.
a dick in
That's
his
it,
throat.
that's it. Your family is gonna die in 7 days.
You shouldn't have cursed the helicopter.
Mag, what happened, bro? What
You
happened?
cursed the wrong thing.
You cursed the helicopter. Alright, need to push the helicopter.
Alright, we're clear.
See, that's why you
Alright,
don't
boys, follow
cast curses.
We lost our wings.
Curses because of the Canadian. If Canadian wasn't here, I wouldn't cast curses and Kelly would be fine.
Yeah. Why didn't you cast a curse to fix the helicopter?
Park there.
Next point is gonna be like Echo 7, but the third point is gonna be here.
Yep, we want to set up on third.
Don't go anywhere. Wait until the third point, you're gonna need to take us away.
Third point's coming here.
Curse the
Third point is
helicopter.
gonna be here, but the fourth point is gonna be somewhere else.
Do you want me putting volumes down anywhere?
You're gonna plan it?
Fucking
Not yet.
Latvian guy.
But if you feel like it, go ahead. I'm not gonna hold you to the squad. You can do whatever.
I don't think you can climb that, unfortunately.
I die when left unsupervised, so I'll stay with you guys.
He wants you to get hit by a toe. He likes getting hit by toes.
You still salty with me?
No, I'm just laughing.
Bro, the Canadian gay guy wants to send me toes. Send me your toes. I will judge you.
Yeah. Yes, Daddy. I will make sure to send some later.
Oh, respect. I love gay Canadians who accept it.
How do you feel about America?
America,
Not good.
respect.
Not good,
I like
America.
people who like guns.
America not good.
What about dirt
What do
bikes?
you think about
you like
Trump?
dirt bikes out there?
Dirt bikes. I like dirt bikes. My father
Fuck
drive
yeah.
dirt bike. He killed communists. I drive dirt bike and I kill
Yo, dig the
communists.
hab up, boys. We gotta dig the hab up.
Yo, everybody's talking to me. Nobody's fucking listening to Commander. Let's go, boys.
Yeah, Command, you're overrated. This Lithuanian guy's better than you.
I believe it. He's been on all day.
He probably has.
People only
I've been
are
on all
interested
day
in
with
me
him.
because they don't understand me. And I explain to them, there is only 3 things to understand about me. I am for Nazis, National Socialists, I hate communists,
Jesus.
and I hate Jews. 3 things, that's it. It's
I've
very
met this
fucking
guy
simple.
before too. Yeah.
Yeah, no,
I've
I
met him
remember this
before.
guy. I don't remember that part, but I do remember
I
him.
hate Jews and
I don't
Nazis
remember
at the
that
same
part.
time. That's
I
my
don't remember
question.
the gay Canadian guy.
I could sense the
Fuck you, I've been on
National
this for a long
Socialist
time.
in him.
I was going to America 3 times in the last 2 years because I heard there's a lot of Nazis in America, but I got bamboozled There is communists in America, not Nazis. Fuck.
Jesus Christ.
No, we got them. We got it all here.
You should like cast a curse on a helicopter and make them crash. It would be funny.
Like some Final Destination.
Я пойду нахуй, все нахуй будете. Будет так сотни. Richtig Slammetu, Netira Souls, helicopter. Oh.
We got a vehicle. Aww, somewhere.
Oh shit, we're getting shot at.
Stay at LV 032 way up there.
When I was... Oh.
Yes.
Okay, I guess
Dude,
I'm scared.
Hey, you want us from where?
That curse worked. I'm scared. Nobody cross that guy.
Yo, start digging. Watch out, machine gunner.
Say shit about my
I'm
country.
in the
Kumatsers,
floor.
I'm giving curses around like Oprah giving cars away.
Don't get cursed by him. You will die.
Anyone
I'm
have
not sure I said what they up there.
Negative. Panic is here, though.
City, with 27.
Thanks, pal.
LAV just died.
I'm be honest. I don't know how I got here.
Neither do I. Man, I don't know how.
I am on the scaffolding right now.
Oh damn, he is.
Somebody shoot him and arrest him.
Dude.
Okay, somebody else can go on the tow. This tow is fucked, I can't see shit. Squad leader needs to use binoculars to mark shit, so he can hit something.
Nope, he's dead, man.
What?
That guy-
That's trash.
It is trash, yep, I agree.
What the fuck
We
is
need
this?
more
Can't even
fuel.
parkour in this shit?
No. Medic, touch that man.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, I forgot Chappie's on.
We're against America.
Don't cross the Lithuanian guy, he will curse you.
Yeah, don't call him Russian.
He will curse you.
They cursed our helicopter.
Twice.
Cursed us in Klingon, too. Man.
I think that's Lithuanian. He's probably one of them forest monks, you know, if you just like suddenly get lost in the forest of Lithuania, you might randomly stumble across like a small
we got
hut
shot.
in the forest and he's just sitting in there. With just playing squad.
Hop in with 8, boys. Hop in with 8.
Oh, I gotta run back to 8.
Answer. Light that kid up.
Enemy
There's 2 in the mountains.
transport.
I'm
Transport on Charlie.
Fuck, look at it, just got
Transport on Charlie. Transport on Charlie.
I hope they blow up.
Hop in with 7. Hop in with 7 if you can.
Hey Lithuanian guy, can you curse that transport to blow up? Damn it.
Yo, can you take us up to Hab? And then come back and pick my other guys up and bring them up with you?
Got you.
Tell 8 to drop you right there. Tell 8 to drop you right there.
you so without voice chat,
Take us
so you don't hear it.
Machine gun, fire.
On top of the machine gun. Jesus.
Rallies down, boys.
I hear a vehicle coming.
Yeah, push the right side, boys. I'm up top. We got shit down in the city.
Okay, the drop is too
Unobserved that roof. It's hot.
Oh shit, sorry.
Alright, boys, hold your spawns. Don't spawn yet. Once getting a hab down, we'll push with him. Hold spawns, hold spawns.
I don't think Chappie's getting a radio down, or a hab down, sorry.
I think he will. He'll probably spawn on his rally and get it down.
I guess.
Enemy hab accurate. Yep, he's getting a hab down for us. Hold spawns. We're gonna help after it's up.
Hey, there's a, alright, yeah. Mark is, accurate. He's moving, though.
Let's see what that Finnish guy cursing.
Alright, boys, give up. Be ready to spawn.
Hey, do we have any AD?
We do.
Yes.
Yes,
Alright,
we
can we
have
get
two
them
guys.
on,
Wait for the hab, boys. It's
on
coming
observe,
up.
Harley?
Yeah, it's insta proxy. It's insta proxy. Oh, it's not
Nope,
proxy.
nope. Go for it, boys. We're gonna try and get in. We gotta get their help.
Hold spawn for Charlie. Go spawn Charlie if it comes up. Hopefully.
Give up, boys. Try and get in.
Mashallah.
Alhamdulillah, brother. Let's go.
Allahu Akbar. Let's go.
Yallah.
You know, it was a good shot though.
Get to the radio.
Hey, Chappie. Miss me?
Mega perimeter.
Yo, let's push the enemy radio.
You miss me? It's been all 24 hours. I think.
Copy. Proceeding. Everybody go to spot.
I'm on the
We
front
go
line,
to
boys.
Charlie.
I'm on the front line. I took shots.
I can't hear anything.
Get in front of the
We're playing
commander. Get in
defense.
front of the commander.
Was like, oh, he's in the hab, rush it, and fuck him,
my
we're all
God.
dead. I was like, okay, fine. I come in and whack him by
I'm reporting this.
Push Charlie, boys. Charlie.
Also, pro tip, do not cross the lad, his name's Coca Roca. He will curse you, and this curses work. So call him Russian.
I got the slides, yeah.
I need you. Get to me.
Thank you.
See ya, chaps. Oh, you died.
Charlie, come back, Charlie. I killed him. I'm bleeding. I'm pushing the radio. Route to radio is cleared. I killed the guy. Only one guy.
Yo, if we can get to that radio, it's almost on bleed. Just keep pushing. If you're dead, give up. Spawn the hab. Protect the radio.
Right there. Oh, thank God.
Hey, enemy Humvee here. Jesus Christ.
No more Humvee. No more Humvee.
I see that. Obliterated. Reduced to atoms.
Radio on bleed. Charlie.
Yep.
I'm gonna try to bomb on the hab.
Man, fuck, I'm gonna put some mines down. I don't care.
Yo, medic, I need you to stay back with me. I'm gonna protect the hab and the radio.
Copy.
A row.
Oh shit, okay, let's push point. They got the radio.
Radio gone.
Straight ganja.
Radio gone. Get on the cab. Everybody, stand by. Push to Charlie. Get on the cab.
Yep, listen to him, boys. Get on cap zone. Push out. Get on cap zone, boys. Machine gunner. Black kit. Rifleman.
I feel like this would be a fun place to live.
Can you always drop ammo?
There's ammo in the back of the Humvee.
Is that a friendly fire?
Yeah, that's friendly vehicle fleeing.
Is there an enemy over here, or was that a friendly fire incident?
Pick him up.
Don't let him curse you.
Mr. Puberson.
So once him's capped, you're gonna stay there, and I believe this hab is on next opponent.
Yeah, that's right. Curse his bloodline.
Puberson shot you. I give you permission to shoot him back.
Jesus Christ, whoever shut the fuck up.
If you're dead, spawn rally, or if you die, spawn rally. You're on our hab.
Koosman is good guy.
I got one.
Koosman is... he touched me.
Yeah, very well.
Oh, I'm
Good shit.
right now.
I think those guys are friendly.
Fuck, I was saying, what are you shooting at?
That's fair.
Squadly, tell everybody to stay on camp. We're looking on the cap zone.
I think that's a friendly heli.
Stay on cap zone. Engineer, fall back.
Other teams are walking off the cap. We're losing leaders. It might be double neutral. It's close.
Guys, what's a gamer minute?
Yo, stay on him, boys. Stop.
We got it, Squadly. We got it, Squadly. We got it. My bad. We got it. Easy. Next point is something like Charlie. Next point is gonna go Charlie, somewhere there. We need to think about that. Yeah, something like that.
Damn, my friending, where are the Americans?
We got contact south. We need one squad, commander. You're commander. You need one squad. Are we staying for defense or somebody else is staying for defense? Stand by for your decision, commander. We have a defense squad or RV defense squad? Because they'll come from south.
It's a friendly helicopter, do not shoot it.
Yeah, he got you.
Commander died. When he died?
I'm going back to main for lodging.
Squadly, we have a defense squad or RV defense squad.
I'd like for you all to stay near him. Don't push.
Squad, be advised, we're staying on Charlie. Make a perimeter. Focusing
Please stay
south,
on him,
focusing south.
boys. Don't push off too far. Be ready to fall back. There will be another push.
LAP and next point. With lot.
I will be moving up with the Logi. I'll pick you up and we can get another hab down. Yo, Applesauce, can you give up and spawn at main?
Contacts coming in from Charlie.
Straight ganja.
We got contacts on Charlie. They might be pushing our radio. Unsure at this time.
I just got shot from the east.
We got enough glare in him to be alright.
Contact Charlie.